Introducing the plate heat exchanger. What is a plate heat exchanger? A plate heat exchanger is a type of heat exchanger that uses a series of thin corrugated plates to transfer heat from one fluid to another. Let's see the primary and secondary connections of plate heat exchanger. The connections typically consist of inlet and outlet ports for each fluid or gases. For both primary and secondary side of the plate heat exchanger, one side of the inlet and outlet connections are considered as hot and other side consider as cool. Parts of a plate heat exchanger. Support column. It is a structural component in a plate heat exchanger that provides additional support and stability to the plate pack. Upper carrying bar. Lower carrying bar. They are two critical components in a plate heat exchanger. They play a vital role in supporting and aligning the plates within the heat exchanger. Movable pressure plate. That helps to distribute pressure evenly across the plate pack. Plates. It is a thin, corrugated metal sheet that facilitates heat transfer between two fluids. Gaskets. They are seals placed between the plates to prevent leaks, ensure fluid separation, and facilitate efficient heat transfer. Fixed pressure plate. It is a stationary plate that provides a fixed point for the plate pack to press against, ensuring even pressure distribution and preventing plate movement. Plate tie bars. They are rods or bars that connect the plates together, providing additional support and maintaining the plate pack's integrity. Flanged ends. Connections that allow the plate heat exchanger to be easily connected and disconnected from other equipment, such as pumps, valves, and pipes. How does the plate heat exchanger works? A plate heat exchanger works on the principle of conduction and convection, where heat is transferred from one fluid to another through a series of thin, corrugated plates. The inlet port allows the hot fluid to enter, while the outlet port allows the cooled fluid to exit, and temperature will be decreased. Similarly, the cold fluid enters through its inlet port and exits through its outlet port, and temperature will be increased. Please visit our website for more information.